scared? You should be. Shit, I would be. I'm what everything in your life could be. I'm the darkness, 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 darkness. Motherfucker, I'm heartless, so I ain't scared by anything that's cold-hearted. A heart is still a heart and it feels, and I'm the part from it. Detached like a severed off head. You fucking with me, homie, you better off dead. Cause I'm the darkness, 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 darkness. Motherfucker, I'm heartless, so you can miss me with the garlic and parsnip. The only thing I'm partial to part with is God said. That's prayer, but the most important part of you was not partial to practice. And what you preaching now, hardship just became a canoe with no oars on board. I swore before 4 years and 7 scores. My position was written and I was stricken with the swords of a million whores. Now I'm coming for your paws, cause I'm the darkness, 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 darkness.